What certifications should a trusted HVAC company have? I think from a certification standpoint, what you're really looking for is longevity in the industry and a track record primarily based on Google reviews and seeing how companies handle mistakes. Being able to look at people's reviews, seeing 1-star, 2-star, 3-star reviews, being able to look to see how they handle them, I think that's pretty important. Overall, most companies are going to have staff and someone on staff who has a journeyman certificate. And then beyond that, the for-profit business certifications that are out there with the Better Business Bureau or other form of third-party verifications, they're indications of a company's professionalism. Most of all, what you're really checking for is how do companies handle problems? And you want to be able to see that through third-party verification. Google is a great way to see that. And then beyond that, being able to talk to your contractor to find out what problems have they had in the past and how do they handle them. It's unreasonable to expect that if you use companies on an again and again basis, that every experience is always going to be perfect. So you just want to have a good understanding as how they do handle problems and how they stand behind their product for the long term. Ideally, being able to get some third-party testimonials as well. No company should struggle with being able to get you a third-party recommendation from a past client based on experience that they've had, both positive and in a do better way.